Hello, smart mathematicians. Let's do question 3.1.1, which is our first part of question 3. Right, in the diagram, A, which is the y coordinate, x coordinate of -2 and y coordinate of 10, and then B, we have k there, and then C, 4, -2, are the vertices of triangle ABC. Right, line BC is produced to H, line BC is produced to H, and cast the x-axis at E. And then the x coordinate of E is 12, the y coordinate of E is 0 there. And then AB and AC, AB and AC intersect the x-axis at F, means AB intersect the x-axis at F, and then AC intersect the x-axis at G. The angle of inclination of line AB is 81,87. Calculate the gradient of BE. Calculate the gradient of BE. Right. So we are told that BC is produced to H, meaning that BCH is a straight line. So the points B, C, E, H are collinear. Okay, so let's calculate the gradient of what? The gradient of BE. If the points B, C, E, and H are collinear, so it means that the gradient of BE is equal to the gradient of CE. Okay, you see that? So because they are collinear, they are on a straight line. These are points on a straight line. So the gradient of BE is just the same as the gradient of CE. And then this gradient of CE, we can say it is the y coordinate of E minus the y coordinate of C over the x coordinate of E minus the x coordinate of C. Or you can say even the y coordinate of C minus the y coordinate of E over the x coordinate of C minus the x coordinate of E. Okay, so any of those will get the same answer. Let's just do both. So now the first one, the gradient of BE is equal to the gradient of CE, which is equal to 12 0 minus -2, 0 minus -2, 0 minus -2 divided by 12 minus 4, 12 minus 4, which is 2 over 8, which is equal to 1 over 4. Okay, all right, so the gradient of BE there is 1 over 4, or you can say, let's use this one. So the gradient of BE is equal to the gradient of CE, which is equal to -2 minus 0, -2 minus 0 over 4 minus 12, 4 minus 12, which is -2 over -8, which is 1 over 4. Okay, so this is the gradient of BE, and then we get all our marks here. Okay, we'll meet when we're doing question 312.